Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review, including those to JPMorgan Chase and their loan offerings, are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using their services. JPMorgan Chase stands as a leading financial powerhouse, renowned for its extensive suite of business financing solutions. Catering to enterprises of all scales, from startups to established corporations, Chase provides tailored options designed to fuel growth and financial stability. Whether your business requires capital for expansion, efficient cash flow management, or strategic equipment investments, Chase offers a range of products to meet those needs. Their offerings include term loans, lines of credit, and specialized equipment financing. Loan amounts span a wide spectrum, from a modest $5,000 up to several $1 million, ensuring accessibility for various financial requirements. Term loans, with repayment periods extending up to 7 years, are particularly well suited for significant one-time expenditures, such as equipment acquisitions or large-scale project funding. Alternatively, businesses seeking short-term financial flexibility can leverage Chase's lines of credit, starting at $10,000. These lines of credit empower businesses to draw funds on demand, paying interest only on the utilized portion, which optimizes cost effectiveness. For businesses aiming to modernize their operations or acquire crucial assets, Chase's equipment financing presents competitive rates and adaptable terms. A key advantage of partnering with Chase is their streamlined application process, coupled with the dedicated support of relationship managers. These professionals collaborate closely with business owners to pinpoint the most appropriate financial products and tailor solutions to their specific circumstances. Applications for smaller loan amounts can often be conveniently completed online, while larger, more intricate loan requests receive personalized attention, ensuring optimal terms and conditions. Chase further sweetens the deal by offering attractive benefits to existing customers, including potential fee waivers and rate discounts for those maintaining a Chase business checking account. It's important to note that Chase's business loans are generally geared towards established businesses boasting a robust financial track record. The bank typically requires good credit standing, consistent revenue streams, and comprehensive documentation. While startups or businesses with less established financial profiles may face higher qualification hurdles, those meeting the criteria gain access to competitive rates, transparent terms, and the peace of mind that comes with working alongside a trusted financial institution. In summary, JPMorgan Chase presents a compelling option for business owners in search of flexible and competitive financing solutions backed by a reputable institution. With its diverse portfolio of loan products, personalized support, and exclusive perks for account holders, Chase delivers financing solutions tailored to a wide range of business needs. Click the links in the description below to explore Chase's business loan offerings in greater detail and determine if they align with your financial objectives. This review aims to provide you with the necessary insights to assess whether Chase is the right financial partner for your business.